I had a patient once that said, I really miss my grandchildren in Florida. And his wife wasn't able to come. I called her, got her to text me a picture. I printed the picture and had it in the patient's room when he came, and he cried. So those are special moments, and those are, it's what I do. I actually had a patient share with me one day. He's like, we just got to talking about cooking. We were bonding over cooking, and he just kept talking about how he wished he had his mother's apple pie. And this was an older gentleman. Well, my specialty is apple pie. So I got up the next morning, because I leave home at 5 a.m. I got up at 4 a.m., made him an apple pie, brought it in, set it on the table. So when he woke up, I went into his room, and he starts crying. And I said, why are you crying? He goes, I smelled that apple pie, and it reminded me of my mom. He said, nobody, it's going to make me cry now, has ever done anything that nice for me. So to me, nothing is too much for our patients.